One of the questions I saw on a Facebook group, FX6 Facebook group, was, is there a case or a bag that you can have your fully rigged camera from bag to tripod with a minimal amount of setup? So I reached out to SKB, spoke to a nice gentleman named Will, who sent me this case. Did not pay me to make the video, but did provide me this case in collaboration with Think Tank. So Think Tank, in collaboration, has this really cool top thing, and down here the dividers, which was set up to be able to drop in a Sony FX6 or equivalent. And I'm just going to show to go pretty much, this is how I have it rigged out. I have a lens, V-mount on the back, the screen down below, and I just have to add the peripherals. Locks into the move system, and Shogun Ultra on top. So I have those. The monitor's safe, and within a couple minutes I would be completely set up with time code, monitor, and ready to film. I used the Sackler on a rolling base, which was kick butt in New York. I'll have pictures of that pop up. And I was able to get to New York with this case and a backpack, and I was able to set up quickly. This case is made in USA. It is IP rated. I'll have it pop up what it is. So after the show, I took off the camera, took batteries off, took off the Atomos Shogun Ultra, put in the Sony LCD, and with all the cables still on, I was able just to drop it in. It fit really nicely, which I showed how it came out. All cables are in, and then I was able to quickly lock it, which I do like these connections. And then what I do is I would take this at the show. I used a Sackler, similar concept with the quick release. So once I got the camera in, I would have put my backpack on, which is made by Sackler, and then I would basically roll away. The wheels are very solid. I would have the tripod and a bag, which I had over my shoulder. So I was able to quickly go from the Javits with my backpack on and a tripod bag, and I was able to do a number of videos at NAB and AES, all with FX6, and I also had a behind the scenes camera, which was the DJI Osmo Pocket. So this case got me safely on a train from outside of Boston to New York City. It is IP rated, which I'll have pop up, has a gasket around it, made in USA, very solid. And like I mentioned, I'll show how easy it is to open. It's very easy to open. And when you just want to get it out, you take the camera, comes right out safely. I bought this on a train. I have it situated so it fits nice and snug. And then I also have a place for my batteries, which I was using the Sackler, the Anton Bauer Titan 240s. And then I also had a Anton Bauer Titan 150, which I had on my monopod. So this gave me all-day power for my DJI Osmo Pocket. And then ready to go. Set it up, locks this. Few handles, both sides. And this really nice, very solid sounding, and it has very robust wheels. And I was able to go from outside Boston to New York City via Amtrak. Walked to the station, Monaghan Station, Got to the Javits, was able to get in, set up, be done, same day. All because of this case saving me a lot of time from not having to break it up, break it all down, put everything back, so I was in and out quick. So this is the SKB case made in USA I series.